In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change account password in Zillow on desktop. Zillow doesn't place a traditional Change Password button inside account settings for everyone. Instead, the site uses the password reset flow to update your password even if you know your current one. I'll walk you through it from start to finish and offer a few quick tips to keep things smooth and secure. First, go to Zillow.com in your desktop browser and make sure you're signed out. If you see a profile icon or your initials in the top right corner, open that menu and sign out so you can start fresh. Now click Sign In at the top right. When the Sign In window opens, select the link that reads, "Forgot your password?" or a similar phrase. Enter the email address that's associated with your Zillow account and click Send. Double-check for typos before you submit, as the reset message can only reach the exact address on file. Next, open your email inbox. Look for a message from Zillow with a password reset link. If it isn't in your inbox after a minute, check your spam or junk folder, and also any promotions or updates tabs your email service uses. Some reset links expire after a short time, so open the newest message and use the most recent link. Click the reset link in the email. A Zillow page will open where you can create a new password. Type your new password, confirm it in the second field, and then save. For a strong password, combine upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters, and avoid reusing a password from another website. A password manager can help you generate and store something long and unique. Once it's saved, return to the sign-in page and log in with your email and the new password to confirm everything worked. If you typically sign in with a third-party option, such as a major tech provider's single sign-on, remember that your password may be managed by that provider instead of Zillow. In that case, you'll need to change it through the provider's security settings. That's it. You've updated your Zillow password using the reset process. Keep the new password in a safe place and consider enabling additional account protections if they're available in your settings. For extra peace of mind, avoid using public Wi-Fi during this process and close the reset window once you're done. You may also be asked to sign in again on other devices, which is normal after a password change.